Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is SITI HUMAIRA binti Muhammad SOFI with metric number 154369. I am a 4th year student from School of Physics, majoring in Pure Physics.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Radiological with metric number 153192. I'm a final year student majoring in Pure Physics. Today, I will tell you guys about an accident that happened in Leah, Georgia. The accident happened when 3 Georgians found 2 hot objects and used it as personaliter, which later found to be strontium-90 radioisotope sources with activity 1295 TBq. In 1980s, the series of radio relays were built to connect Engeridam with Hudonidam, which under construction. The relays in remote territory with no reliable access to electricity, so it powered by 8 radioisotope thermoelectric generator (RTGs), which manufactured by Soviet Union. Each RTGs was beta M powered by strontium-90 with activity from 1295 to 1400 TBq. However, Hudonidam construction was stopped because of Georgia's independence from Soviet Union. Hence, the stations and their RTGs were abandoned and eventually dismantled. Only 6 so far have been found, 2 in 1998 and 2 in 1999, which led no harm to people. However, 2 more were found in 2001 by these 3 Georgians. On December 2nd, 2001, on cold snowy day, these 3 men were searching for firewood approximately 50 kilometers east of Leah. At around 6 p.m, it was getting dark when they found 2 metal cylinders were lying in front of them. There's no snow in radius 1 meter around the objects and the wet ground was steaming. All 3 men were decided to make camp and stay for a night and use the objects as personaliter. One of the men later found a patient tree just hold the objects and drop it immediately because it was too hot and heavy. But for the other 2 men have close contact with the objects around 10 cm to their back, about 1 to 1.5 hours. Their symptoms include vomiting, nausea, dizziness after 3 hours. On December 22nd, 2001, they hospitalized on the same day in ZUHAIDEE, Georgia. Based on clinical picture of all of the 3 men, acute radiation symptoms was diagnosed. This was reported to Emergency Medical Center in Tbilisi, and they request to transfer the patient to Institute Hematology and Transfusiology (IHT). After receiving treatment in IHT, patient 3 was discharged from hospital in January 23, 2002 because he's only had mild injuries compared to the others. Patient 1 was sent to Bernasian Federal Medical Biophysics Center in Moscow. Patient 2 was sent to Percy Military Hospital in Paris. Patient 2 was hospitalized for over a year and was discharged on May 18, 2003. However, patient 1's injuries lingered. He has received the greatest exposure on his back, as well as damage to his heart and vital organs. His condition was complicated by tuberculosis, developed sepsis, and died of heart failure. He died on May 13, 2004, 893 days after first exposure. From this story, I want to stress about importance of basic knowledge of radiation injuries and call for increased program to make people aware of radiation overexposure. That's all from me. Thank you.